Alright, so Sunday I just got back from church and I just got some Above Majestic going on the tube while I basically I'm gonna have to move all these GPUs right here. This is basically my NVIDIA, including this old laptop that I have. Just basically that. But I'm gonna basically move all these NVIDIA cards and that laptop and the power supply and all that shit to this shoe rack, and I'm gonna put that shoe rack into this corner right here where I used to have an old desktop, and I'm also gonna put my Switch on the rack too, so I can just make more room for my desk. Clean up all this cables and stuff, because I mean, as you can see, I just don't have any room to work. If I can get this all into one space, it's really gonna like make my life a lot easier during the week, so I work from home. So we'll see how it works. My AMD setup is going real good, real well. I have a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna have to clean up for this, but I might wait until next week. I don't know. I kind of want to do it today, but it really just depends on how much I clean up today. I really want to clean up these power cables on my Switch. Maybe clean up that Switch a little bit better. But yeah, it's gonna be quite a day. I'm pretty tired right now, but it's just gonna make my life a lot easier. So I'm trying to clean up my work environment here. Trying to get a little bit more space, because it is totally screwed. I mean, it's pretty bad. There's like no space. So I moved. I got my computers over here. And I'm trying to get everything moved over into this fucking shoe shelf. And well, we'll see how it goes. I've got quite a bit of work. On Friday, I basically, all these GPUs that are hanging right here, I basically finally got HiveOS to work. So they've just been here like since Friday. It's Sunday evening. It's about 5:30. So I've been having some problems with that GPU, which is one I actually got out of a pre-built. Seems like the fans are kind of going like crazy. Just on that, it's 3060. This 3060 is fine. But I'd like to get them set up. So we'll see. My real goal is to actually have two motherboards running. One for my AMD and then one from the NVIDIA cards. I'm not sure if my 3070s will get full hash rate on the one of the motherboards that I'm gonna end up using, but we'll see. All this is just looks completely fucking disgusting. Look like a fucking pig. I need to clean out the fans a little bit before I put them back in there, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now. But yeah, it's fucked. We've got to get all this shit back in there. So I'm going to do it. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so this is part 2. Cleaned up a little bit in here. I'm going to have to like swing this sideways a little bit and kind of figure out where I'm gonna put these fans and clean up the cables a little bit, and I'm gonna put it on its side so there's like a little bit more space, because also I can play games here. So I don't know, I've still got a lot of cleanup work to do, and yeah. But that's just one side. So the other side. Basically split them off for AMD and NVIDIA cards. Here we are in Hive. Ooh, holy smokes. What's going on here? Oh, I guess it's just the reboot, I guess. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to move my NVIDIA cards and put them on this rack, and then I'm gonna stick them behind my desk here. So that's really the only place that I have for them right now. And if I expand it all, I'm basically just gonna expand to like two motherboards per each of these. I have two of these little shoe racks, and we'll see how that goes. But I'm pretty tired right now, and I'm gonna have to move. Like, I'm gonna probably put my Switch onto this rack along with all that, and I'm gonna probably have that laptop, which can only really mine, and that's all I'm doing right now. But I'm gonna put all that stuff onto here, and then I'll have some actual space to put my legs and shit, because I actually like work at this desk during the week when I'm working from home. So I got quite a bit of stuff that I gotta work out. So, alright. Oh well.
What was about it?
Okay, so I've cleaned up a little bit more in here. Got my stuff sort of cleaned up, even though I still got all these my old computer stuff over there. But no, it seems to be doing alright. I gotta reconnect the fan. Forgot to connect one of the fans, but everything else seems to be doing okay. It's still pretty messy, especially the two cards in the back. I may try to spread those out. I had a little bit more space than I thought I was gonna have with this big 3060 over here. So we'll see what happens. I got my Switch over there. And I got this laptop with a 1060 just off to the side on a different outlet than that. So it seems to be doing okay right now. Yeah, a little bit more room on my desk, and just kind of like simplified everything. So yeah, I'll be able to work a little bit easier, hopefully.
Join me now.
Alright, I just moved them over here to the shoe rack. It barely fits under here. I am worried about power maybe being a little bit too much. We'll see. I should probably calculate all that. But it was doing fine. I mean, I've been pushing using way more power. So this is just a little 4 GPU setup. I'd like to add another 6600 XT. But I think I'm just going to leave
Let's see what Dr. Fauci has to say.
all this over here.
Omicron.
In May, obviously, it didn't really hit us until mid.
Yeah, so this is the updated, cleaner home office. The NVIDIA rig below there. fridge, power supply, fan that's not plugged in right. The essentials, all your needs are met. Pulp Fiction. No more motherfucking couch, baby. Fuck that shit. Got my little workout stuff. I'm still fat as fuck. Mortal Kombat 11, Sub-Zero. Still a fucking mess, but it's getting better. I'm gonna get a growth.